Hello everyone, this is in continuation to solving of model question paper of CMA Foundation. Subject is Business Mathematics and Statistics, meant for this June 2025 examination. Set 1, this is part 3 and question number 16. Simplify 3a power 1 to the power of 2, b power 1 divided by 6b square multiplied by a cube to the power of 1. So we will rewrite the expression like 3, a power 1 is a only into 2. So it is a square, and I will write b because it is b power 1, 6 b square, a cube to the power of 1 is a cube only. So this will give us 3 by 6 is 1 by 2, and then a square a cube, that will get cancelled and become only a. B by b square is b. So the answer is 1 by 2 ab. Here it is option B. Let us move on to the next question. Out of 18 points in a plane, no 3 are in the same straight line except 5 points which are collinear. Then the number of straight lines obtained by joining them is what? So suppose we can first consider total number of lines possible, total number of straight lines. If no point are collinear, means without any condition, it will be for one line you need 2 points. So 18 choose 2, that will become 18 into 17 by 2. We will get 153. Now, number of points or number of lines formed which can be formed. With the 5 points. Means again, this is without any condition. This is 5 choose 2, and that will be 5 into 4 by 2. We get 10. So, but here they say 5 points are collinear, but 5 points are collinear, and hence with those 5 points, only one line can be formed. Therefore, number of lines that can be formed will be, without any condition, we had got 153. In that, these 10 points cannot be formed because they are all in collinear. But with that collinear points, we can make one line. So it becomes 144. That will be the answer. And that is our option C. Let me move on to the next question. If A is equal to 8, 11, 14, 17, B equal to 5, 7, 9, 15, C equal to 19, 21, 17, 15, find A intersection B intersection C. First, B intersection C is, we need to see what are the common numbers. 5, no. 7, no. 9, no. 15, yes. So common number is 15. So, and A intersection B intersection C will be, now we need to check from this set A and this B. 8, no. 10, 11, no. 14, no. 17, no. Even 15, no. That means it is null set. But that option is not provided here. That option is missing, but this is the option actually. This should be the answer because everything is given as intersection. Next question. given C of x. C of x means cost function, 9x plus 350. P is price, which is equal to 14. Find the condition of getting break-even point. So at break-even, our total cost will be equal to total revenue. Total cost is given as 9x plus 350. Revenue is nothing but the price, that is 14, into the quantity, which is x. So that means this will become 5x minus 350 equal to 0. That is our option D. That is the right option. Next, we'll move on to the 20th question. F of x is negative x cubed by 3 plus 4x square minus 15x. We need to check which is valid. So we need to find out the first derivative, f dash of x, 1 by 3 constant, and if I differentiate minus x cube, it is minus 3x the square plus 4. If I differentiate x square, it is 2x minus 15. If I differentiate x, it is 1. So f dash of x is minus x square plus 8x minus 15. And then we need to equate f dash of x equal to 0 means negative x square minus plus 8x minus 15 equal to 0. I will multiply both sides by negative 1. We get x square minus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. We can split this 8x negative as minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 equal to 0. First two terms common is x, so x minus 5. Next two terms common is negative 3, x minus 5 equal to 0, which means x minus 5 times x minus 3 equal to 0. That means x values can be 5 and 3. Now let us find out f double dash of x, second derivative. It is negative. If I differentiate x square, it is 2x plus 8. If I differentiate x, it is 1. So it is negative 2x plus 8. Now let us check what will be the value if x takes f double dash of x, if x takes 5. That will be negative 2 into 5 plus 8, we get minus 2. Means this implies that when x is equal to 5, f of x is at its maximum. This is less than 0 for that reason, at its maximum. And then let us find out the next one, f double dash of x. When x is 3, we get minus 2 times 3 plus 8, we get positive 2. Means when x is equal to when x is 3, f of x is at its minimum. So which option suits? Maximum when x is 3, sorry, x is 5, minimum when x is 3, means option B is the one which is matching. Let me move on to the next question. Dichotomous classification is, different options are given, when data is classified according to presence or absence of two attributes, when data is classified into two groups containing all the attributes, when data is classified according to presence of two attributes, when data is classified into two groups according to presence or absence of one attribute. That is the correct option, the last one. So answer is D. So we will continue with this solution in our next video.